how to make timetable in Notion. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make timetable in Notion. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to notion.so. You can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page in which from here, it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Notion, it is a powerful all-in-one productivity software that provides a flexible and collaborative workspace for individuals and teams, in which it allows users to create, organize, and share various types of content, including notes, documents, databases, tasks, wikis, and many more. And aside from that, Notion is known for its versatility and user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice for individuals, students, professionals, and even teams looking to streamline their workflows and manage information effectively. And some of the features and elements it included is pages, blocks, databases, templates, collaboration, and even integration. And with its adaptability and robust features, Notion can be used for a wide range of purposes, including personal note-taking, project management, team collaboration, knowledge sharing, and many more. And from here, to get started to access this platform Notion, just click the login button on the top right corner, in which you can log in using your Google account. And upon logging in, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you the dashboard of this Notion, in which on the left side panel, it will show you other options that you can start navigating, including search, updates, settings and members, new page, create a team space, templates, and many more. And as you can see here, to get started, it will show you the basic, including to click anywhere and just start typing. You can see all types of content that you can add, including header, videos, subpages, and many more. And after that, it says here that you can highlight any text and use the menu that pops up the style to improve your writing. And now, let's proceed by adding a page. So just go on the left side panel and just click Add a Page. And after that, you will be directed in here, in which it will show you an untitled page. And below that, you can navigate some other options, including Import, in which you can import the files from your computer, or this Templates option, in which by clicking on it, it will show you a variety of templates that you can start using. And you can even set the categories, including work, school, personal, projects, and many more. And some of the templates including to-do lists, project and task, and many more. And to make a timetable, we can start searching on the search bar of it. So just click Search Templates and just enter timetable in here. However, it says that there's no result for timetable template. So if that's the case, we can just go back to this page and start navigating other options. We have here table, board, timeline, calendar, but since we're going to make a timetable, I'm going to select the calendar option, and upon clicking on it, it will show us this layout, and on the right side panel, it will show you that you can select other data source, including task list, journal, reading list, and many more. And aside from that, you can even change the layout of it by clicking Edit View, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you the view option, and below that, just click the layout option. And after that, you will be able to choose a table layout, a calendar layout, a gallery layout, or even a timeline layout. And by selecting a calendar layout, it will look like this, in which you will see the date, the month, and even the year that you will create a task on each day. And on the right side panel, you could also navigate, show the calendar, wrap all columns, and even open pages in. And by selecting the table option as a layout, it will look like this. So from here, let's say we're going to make a task list as a timetable, and on each column, it will show you the label, including the name of the task, the date created, the status, and even the time of it that indicate that this table can be considered as timetable. But that is just one way to create a timetable, since the other option to create a timetable is with the use of table. So kindly click the table option below here. And after that, you can start navigating, selecting the data source on the right side panel, and you can even customize the view by clicking in here and just click Edit View option. But before changing the layout, make sure that you also select a data sources such as task list, reading list, journal, and many more. But since we're making a timetable, I'm going to choose a task list as data source. But before that, I'm also going to change the title of it to timetable. And after that, you have now the task list of your timetable, which you can input the tasks that are given and customize the status of it, such as to do, doing, and done. And aside from that, you could also change the layout of it by clicking the three dots on the top panel of it, and below option, just select the layout, in which you will be able to choose or change the layout of your timetable. We have here the table layout, the calendar layout, the timeline, and even the gallery layout, in which it will make your timetable to look like a different kind of card, and each card contain a different task, the date, and even the time of it. And by choosing the timeline option, your timetable layout will look like this, which contain the date, the month of it, and you can even customize each task by clicking on it and entering the name of the task. For example, we have here the task 1, and the details is located on the right side panel. We have here the date it created, the status of it, including to do, doing, and done, and even the time it created, making it a timetable using this layout. Since timetable, also known as schedule or itinerary, is a structured plan that specifies a series of events, activities, or tasks, and the times at which they are intended to occur. Like this kind of layout, we have here the column 1, which include the number or name of task, the date it created, the date that it's supposed to be done. And for the last column, we have here the status of it that indicate if the task has now been successfully approved or completed. And to add new task, just click this new button on the top panel, in which by clicking on it, you will be able to see other options that you can choose, either new task or empty. And aside from that, by clicking on the three dots, you will be able to navigate some other options below, including to change the layout, properties, filter, sort, group, sub-items, dependencies, and many more. You can also access the lock views, Slack notifications, duplicate view, and even to delete this view. And you can even copy this link and share this to your friends in order for them to have access of your timetable. And if you're now done doing the timetable, the data will look like this, including the task name, the date that the task must be done, the time it has been created, and even the status of it. We have here to do, done, and doing. And if you want to search for a specific task that you cannot find, just click this magnifier icon and just search for the specific task that you want to find. And it will show you the results below. In addition, if you want to duplicate a specific task, all you need to do is to select the specific task that you want to duplicate, and after that, it will show you the option that you can choose, whether delete, duplicate, open a new tab, open inside pick, copy link, and many more. And in those options, just click duplicate option, and after that, it will show you that the task has now been duplicated, including the data of the date it has been created, and even the status of it. And aside from that, you could also rename the specific task by clicking on it and click rename. And from here, I'm gonna enter task number 2. And after that, as you can see on the task list, we have now different kind of task name with the same data it contained. So that is just how to make timetable in Notion. Thank you.